So what is up guys, welcome to HED Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, today's video is going to be a short little video just telling you that how the iPhone SE2's body design is going to be. Okay, I have made already 2 videos on iPhone SE2, but I also think that it is important. Most of you guys, you can get any other news, but just a video totally dedicated on its design. So in today's video, I'm going to telling you just what you need to know, all of the basics which we know so far regarding the iPhone SE2's design. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, now let's talk about the design of the iPhone SE2. Well, as you all know that the iPhone SE2's design is going to be much more of the iPhone 8, or you can say Apple is just going to be refreshing the iPhone 8 with new internals just for you guys. And just what I want to say is what is going to be different in this body is there is nothing. There is one controversy, and that is wireless charging going to be coming in the iPhone SE2? Again, wireless charging and the SIM card, okay, is it going to be coming with a single SIM, dual SIM, or one single SIM and one eSIM? So these are the two topics which we don't at all know clearly that what Apple is going for. But other than that, everything like the same internal chassis, or you can say like I have with me the iPhone 8. So this is my iPhone 8, and I want to say the display, as you can see here, is going to be the same which is on the iPhone 8 and iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6. So display is not going to be changing, but I'm going to say like Apple is going for a Touch ID variant iPhone, and we also have now with us a lot of concrete proof that Apple is going for it. And not just that guys, that all the body, there is one more thing which we really don't know is what Apple is going to do with the camera. Is Apple going to be providing a ultra wide angle lens or a standard lens or a telephoto lens? Okay, Apple is take the current generations of the iPhones, the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max have the wide angle lens. So like if Apple want to go with this strategy, they will definitely opt for a ultra wide angle lens. But this is not yet sure. But guys, just my preference is the same exact lens used in the iPhone XR, Apple is going to be using in this iPhone SE2. And just overall the body is nothing going to be different than the iPhone 8, and even the display is going to be of 4.7 inches as per the predictions. And just summing up everything up, it's only pretty obvious that just just don't take it in the wrong way, but the iPhone SE2 is going to be just a little spec update for the iPhone 8, and Apple is going to be discontinuing the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus when this iPhone is coming. And guys, hope you like today's video. In today's video, I just wanted to put more focus on the body design. Again, if you want a fully dedicated video on iPhone SE2, you can watch my yesterday's video or a day before yesterday's video. Okay, I have continuously, this is my 3rd video on iPhone SE2. And guys, if you want more, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make for you guys. Again, like there is still a lot of information still coming, and as the information arrives, I'm surely going to be making video on it. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe our channel, give a like to this video, and leave a comment that what are your thoughts. And again, I know guys, I make a lot of different type of variety of content, but guys, just like the news which you are getting is of the iPhone SE2, and I myself am a lot crazier on the iPhone SE2. So of course I'm going to be uploading the latest news regarding this device. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe our channel, give a like to this video, and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts and are you excited for this iPhone. So meet you in another video. Till then, peace.